Hey, okay, so in this Google Sheets tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Sparkline function, which allows us to trend data, and in this case, some sales data that we have. So what we're going to do is in the function bar, we're going to go equals Sparkline, and we're going to select our data, and then we're going to end the bracket, and we're going to press return, and then this is going to visualize our data here. So let's say we change one of these numbers to 3,400. We'll see a big jump here, and then we can undo that, and the number will recorrect. We can also do something a little more advanced, like let's say columns. So we're going to do equals Sparkline. We're going to select our data. We're going to jump back in the function here. So I'm going to select my data. I'm going to do comma. I'm going to do curly bracket, and I'm going to do quote chart type. I'm going to end quote, and I'm going to do comma. Another quote, and I'm going to do column COLUMN. Another quote. I'm going to end the curly bracket and then end the normal bracket, and then we're going to get a column. Now we could do something a little more advanced here as well, is that we could also make this columns blue or make these columns blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to do semicolon, then we're going to go back into the quotes, and then we're going to do color COLO or American spelling, end quote, then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to do quote again, blue, and then we're going to press return, and this will change them from black to blue.